Yo, here is why I want you to make $10,000 or more a month with Nexus SNAP. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, Nexus SNAP is what the hell did I just say? Nexus SNAP. All right, it's Nexus SNAP. All right, it's popping off right now. A lot of people are joining this opportunity. A lot of people are starting to make money with this opportunity. And one of the reasons why Nexus SNAP is so popular is because of its compensation plan. All right, like when you really take a look at the compensation plan and look at the earning potential of Nexus SNAP. And I hate using this phrase. I really do. When people say it's a no-brainer. I mean, shit, it's a no-brainer. Like, man, just do it. But this kind of really is a no-brainer if you're somebody who is trying to look for a way to make money online. If you are somebody who's on that, like, yo, I got some grind in me. I got some hustle with me. You know what I'm saying? I can put a little work in. If you're that type of person, then hell yeah, Nexus SNAP is a no-brainer. One aspect of the Nexus SNAP compensation plan is their check matching bonus. So they have 3 different levels of it. All right. So whenever you become a pro member, which is only you getting 5, that's it. Now getting 5 premium members will put you at the pro level. Now once you're at the pro level, you will get a 50% check match bonus for every personal referral that you bring in. 50%. All right. So that means if you have somebody on your team and they go crazy, right? And they're making $5,000, $10,000 a month with this opportunity, right? You're going to get 50% of that. Think about that. Because I know a lot of people like, man, $10,000 a month or $5,000, that's too far-fetched. That's fairy tale. That ain't real. All right. So let's just drop it down. Let's just say somebody on your team gets, $500 a month they're making from their matrix, right? $500. That's realistic, all right? You're going to be getting $250 a month just because you brought that person in, right? That is super dope. Now they do have other higher levels in the company where you can ultimately end up making 100% check match bonus for every person that you bring in. But we just keeping it at the beginner level, all right? We just going after the 50% check match bonus because that's dope in itself. So we just gonna keep it at the beginner level and just say, hey, let's just go for that 50% check match bonus. That's very, very doable. Now I currently have over 5 personal referrals on my team, so I am a pro member. So I am currently in a position to earn 50% check match bonuses from everybody that I bring in. So of course, I want you to join Nexus SNAP, join the team, and I want you to be successful as hell. I want you to make $5,000 a month. I want you to make $10,000 a month. Hell, I want you to make $20,000 a month with Nexus SNAP. Why? Because when you're successful, I'm successful. And when I'm successful, you're successful. And this is exactly why when people join my team at Nexus SNAP, I reach out to them, I share with them as much information as I can to help them get their business started. And like I said, I always offer people to come on my channel, introduce themselves, or I always do a shout out video and I put their link in the description of that video to help drive more traffic to their business. Because that's one of the great things about network marketing. When you join somebody or when you're somebody's sponsor, you want them to be successful. So a lot of times if you have a good sponsor, they're going to help you out as much as they can. And I expect people to join my team to have the same mindset as I do. All right. So when you join Nexus SNAP and you go after people, right, and people start joining your team, obviously you want those people that you bring in to make $5 and $10 and $20,000. That's the mindset that we all should have. And if we all have that mindset, it's going to breed nothing but success. So if you want to jump on the Nexus SNAP team and start building that monthly income, you already know what to do. Click that first link in the description and I will see you, yeah, you, on the squad.